YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? Back again with another video. Got two confluences to take this trade. We aim for a 1-to-1. We would have taken our take profit right there, and as you guys can see, we would have one. Bon appetit. Once I start getting payouts, the story is going to change, man. I will have way more time. I will have more money to use it to have more time in my day. You know what I'm saying? Today is Thursday and it's currently about 4:30 a.m. in the morning right now. I just finished trading, so I'm outside to get this 15-minute run. And today is also Halloween, man. Today's Halloween, so if you celebrate Halloween, happy Halloween to you. But me personally, I don't celebrate it, so you know what I'm saying, I just keep it simple. But anyways, man, let me get this 15-minute run, and then when I'm finished with this 15-minute run, I'm gonna go back inside and then I'm gonna show you guys the trade that I just took, man. So let's go, man. Alright, man, so as you guys can see, this is a trade that we took today. We cut our loss right there, and it was a $186 loss. But before I even explain this trade, man, I just want to say thank you, man. I just want to say thank you, Jesus, and thank you guys, because listen, yesterday's video, it has been going crazy. It got 1.2k views in one day. It got 62 likes, and it got crazy comments. And man, I was just responding to the comments right now. I woke up to seeing this. I didn't see this when I woke up right away. I saw this right after I took the loss that I took today. So I just want to say thank you, man. We're going places. Hard work is paying off, and just wait till I'm profitable, man, because all I'm using right now, it's a phone and a computer. I don't have a microphone. I don't have a camera. The quality of the videos are not the best. So listen, I'm not living the lifestyle that I want to live. So listen, just wait till I'm profitable. That's all I'm gonna say. Wait till I'm profitable. But yeah, man, thank you guys, because that means a lot to me, man. We just got 600 subscribers today. Today we got 600. Once we get to 1,000, I'm probably going to be using Instagram more, because I do not use Instagram. So if you do not follow me on Instagram, man, follow me on Instagram. I will also be creating a Discord server for the community, because the community is growing, and I want to have a Discord server for the community where they can go in and, you know, share the trades, you know what I'm saying, all of that stuff. But anyways, man, let me explain to you guys the trade that I took today and why we lost. Okay, so first things first, right? Okay, let me replay this whole thing from the time where London opens. So London opens right there. So when London opens, I come into the market and I see what's going on. What is the market doing? And I see that we are in consolidation. I mean, not consolidation. We're trending towards the bottom, right? So because we're in a strong trend, in a strong downtrend, I'm expecting to take sales. And even though I took a buy, I'm expecting to take sales. That's why I marked this supply right here. I was waiting for market to you know, come up here, get this supply and take a sell from there. But as you guys can see, the market was showing me that it wanted to reverse. Right here, it showed me here first. When it created a double bottom, that usually means that it wants to reverse. It wants to go up again. So I do not get in, because I'm looking for, you know what I'm saying, I'm looking for sales. So I do not get in. I see that happening. I can wait for, you know, I can get up. I could have gotten a buy right there, but I didn't. You know what I'm saying? I was just like, no, I'm looking for sales. This is not enough confluence for me to take a buy right there. But then, you know what I'm saying, this candle comes down here. Let me delete this. This candle comes down here and it takes the two lows. So listen, this looks very good, man. This looks, you see this wick that he left behind after taking the liquidity of these two lows right here? To me, that was an amazing momentum towards the upside. So I was like, that looks amazing. If it gives me a break of the candle, I will get in. and I'm aiming towards, you know what I'm saying, either this high right there or this supply up here that I was waiting for. I was not going to take this originally, but when I saw this with the momentum that it pushed towards the upside, I was like, it definitely has some more momentum to go towards the upside a little bit more. So based on this candle alone, I got in once it gave me the break of the candle right there. I put my stop loss underneath that candle, aiming for a 1-to-1 first target, you know. And listen, to make this even safer, we could have waited for the market to break above the 13 EMA and get into a buy once the market breaks above the 13 EMA and closes above the 13 EMA. But because of the momentum that this candle was showing me, I took the risk and I got in right there, even though I should have waited for it to close above the 13 EMA. But if I was to get in when the 13 EMA got broken into, I was like, it's a small space for me to even get a 1-to-1, because there's a supply right there, and market can definitely react on that supply because we are in a downtrend. So, you know what I'm saying? I get in and I see that we go up in profit a little bit, but we reject the 13 EMA. We just reject it and we come towards the bottom. And when I see that we close underneath this low, like when this candle right here closed underneath this low, I was like, yeah, this is not gonna work out, because liquidity graphs usually do not come down and close underneath those lows again. They usually just go back up, and then they never come down and close underneath the low again. So I was like, yeah, this is not gonna work out. This is not working out. The 13 EMA it rejected the 13 EMA. It closed underneath the low. So what happened is I closed my trade around, I believe around here. I'm not sure, somewhere around there, man. I closed the trade, I cut my loss. So that's why it was a $186 loss instead of a $300 loss, because this was a $300 trade, you know. So it's unfortunate. And let me see what the market did. So yeah, it did ended up coming down to my stop loss. So we did good by cutting our loss right there, which is, you know, it is what it is. But listen, I also look at ES and I also look at gold. If I was to be patient, you know what I'm saying? If I was to be patient to wait for the right trade with the trend, I would have taken this right here, my friend. This right here. And why? Because look at this. We are in a downtrend. You know what I'm saying? We are in a downtrend. Market loves to come and take some highs before dropping some more. And we do have a high right up here. And we break above the 13 EMA. And then this candle right here comes, you can barely comes above, but it breaks above. I don't know, maybe because I'm back testing, but in real time it looked like it went up a little bit more. It wasn't like that, but you know what I'm saying? It comes up there, takes that liquidity, it breaks underneath the 13 EMA, so you get liquidity taken, and you also break underneath the 13 EMA, and you close underneath the 13 EMA. So you got two confluences to take this trade. We aim for a 1-to-1, and we would have taken our take profit right there. And as you guys can see, we would have won if we waited for the right trade, if we waited for the right confluences. Because on Nasdaq we didn't wait for enough confluences. We only got in based on that one candle that showed me momentum. So I know what I'm saying. I took the risk to take that trade, and we lost. It is what it is. We only take one single trade. We call it a day. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But man, yeah, this is the trade that we took today. Nothing crazy. We lost on Tuesday and we lost today as well. So tomorrow, man, I really want to take a trade that gives me enough confluence to take the trade. Like, I don't want to do what I did. I don't want to do what I did today, tomorrow, in which we just enter based on the liquidity graph and not the break of the 13 EMA. So tomorrow, if we get the same setup, something similar, I will be waiting for the market to give me a break above the 13 EMA and to close above the 13 EMA for me to get in. I won't be doing this counter trend stuff. I really want to take a trade that makes sense tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Because we have already taken 2 losses this week. Tomorrow we got to change that. So Yeah, man, without further ado, I'm gonna let the video continue because we still got things to do throughout the day, man. Morning. Thank you. Got 3 today.
Y'all have a great day, Climb Glory.
All right, thank you. All right, man. So as you know, another day, another dollar. We have now arrived to work, man. We got here. Just gotta find a parking spot, and start my day. You know what I'm saying? Before we install the floors, we gotta check the temperature of the floors. So it gotta be above 65 or 65. So as you guys can see, we got 73. The temperature of the floor is 73, so we're good to install, baby. Let's get it. Just like that, man. 2 units are done for the day. And now we're going back home. Let's go. You already know how we do it around here, man. Listen, I'm back again with the chicken pasta. We got chicken in there, we got sausage in there, you know, broccoli, you know what I'm saying, all this stuff. We got our dessert, which is orange, and we got our water right there. So listen. Bon appetit. I just don't know. All I know is that I'm super duper full. I still got some more to go. My stomach doesn't even allow me to get more food in there, but I still gotta finish it for the vitamins, because, you know, since I'm eating only once a day, I like to take all the necessary nutrients that I need. You know what I'm saying? I got, for example, I got the protein, I got the carbohydrates, I got the vegetables, I got the vitamins, you know what I'm saying? I got the water to hydrate myself. I like to take everything in one go, you know what I'm saying? Just boom. But at the same time, it's like, I don't know if I'm taking too much or if I need more. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, listen. Let me know, man, if you have any dishes, any recommendations on the dishes that I should be making. I'm learning how to cook, so as of for right now, this is the only thing that I know how to cook. So if you have any ideas, man, for this upcoming week or for the one after, you know what I'm saying, let me know in the comments. Maybe I start doing something else, because this whole week and the week before, we have been eating only pasta. And I'm not complaining, you know what I'm saying? I'm not complaining. But if there is any other dish that I can make to change things around a little bit, then I will. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, we gotta start getting payouts soon, man, so we can start buying food from outside. Because it just takes too much time, bro. It takes like an hour and a half to cook, clean, and eat. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it takes too much time. We could be using all that time, the extra, and we could have an extra hour to work on content, to start doing reels, short, things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? I could expand more in the content world if we had a little bit more time. So, man, we gotta hurry up and start getting these payouts, man, because making food all day, every single day, listen, it takes too much time. At some point, I will prioritize time over money. Right now, I have to be careful with the money because I'm compounding as much as I can. But once I start getting payouts, the story is going to change, man. I will have way more time. I will have more money to use it to have more time in my day, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, as you know, tomorrow we're going to be trading. Tomorrow is the last day that we're going to be trading. We have taken 2 losses so far. Today's trade, it made sense to take, but it wasn't an ideal trade to take because it wasn't with the trend. So tomorrow, I really want to take a trade that makes sense. That makes absolute sense to take. Hopefully, we can get a win, because there's no way that we're gonna go 3-0 for this week. I mean, 0-3 for this week, man. There's no way. So tomorrow, I'm really looking towards, you know what I'm saying, getting a win. And yeah, man, that way we do not end the week 0-3. At least 1-2. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we're gonna show up tomorrow again, see what the market gives us. So without further ado, man, This video is now over.